Hi there, hi, boys and girls. Welcome back for the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus on Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. Two Sudokus left, a binary and a tectonic I will solve. But first, I will solve this baby, and this binary will be number 2189, and this one, let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. And then 1 2 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And now we need to compare, I think. Yes, yeah. Let me see. Almost. Double one here. Double one. Almost the same. We need to compare the rows. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? Yeah. This one and that one. 1 empty box 001. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright, finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one, boys and girls. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku. And this will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. So prepare for the last one. See you later. Bye bye for now.